Dear students, acids, bases and salts part 2. Let us see how acids and bases react with metals. Reaction of zinc granules with dilute sulfuric acid. Let us understand the reaction between metal and dilute acid with an experiment. Introduction of apparatus used in this experiment. Firstly, stand, test tube, delivery tube and soap solution. In this experiment, acid we are using is dilute sulfuric acid and the metal is zinc. When acid starts reacting with metal, we can observe the liberation of gas bubbles. We know that the liberated gas is hydrogen, but we have to prove that. To prove whether it is hydrogen or not, we have to test with burning substance. When liberated hydrogen gas is passed through soap solution, hydrogen bubbles will produce. When burning candle is brought near these hydrogen bubbles, carefully hear the sound. Yes, pop sound. By this pop sound, we can prove that the gas is hydrogen. Now, let us write the chemical equation of this experiment. In this experiment, we have used dilute sulfuric acid. Its formula is H2SO4 and the metal used is zinc. Its symbol is Zn. Salt produced is zinc sulfate. Its formula is ZnSO4 and the gas produced is hydrogen. Symbol is H2. Generally, when dilute acid and metal reacts, salt and hydrogen gas are produced. Now, let us observe the reaction between metal and base. When sodium hydroxide and zinc reacts, sodium zincate and hydrogen are produced. Sodium hydroxide formula is NaOH. Zinc symbol is Zn. Sodium zincate formula Na2ZnO2. Hydrogen symbol is H2. Let us revise the main points. Answer the following. Write chemical equation for the reaction between dilute hydrochloric acid and zinc. Draw the diagram showing the arrangement of apparatus used for the reaction of zinc granules with dilute sulfuric acid and testing hydrogen.